Thank you.
Get your feet wet!
I never.
God, I mean. So what's it like?
What's it like?
Hi, my name's Nicole, and I'm from the Sanibel Sea School. How many of you are a little bit scared to get in the ocean? So tomorrow, we're going to go out to the ocean and try to catch some different fish that live in the seagrass. I really enjoy taking these kids out to the ocean. We take the kids seining, which is dragging large nets through the water so that we can pull up fish that are living below the surface. We like the kids to see that the ocean is not just water, but it's full of life. Absolutely full of life.
Wow.
I got you, fish! Right now, I felt.
Right now. Very tickled.
I'm so happy because I got 2 puffer fishes. We don't want to hurt any of the fish. Some of them are just babies. After we look at them, we put them all back in the ocean. I thought the ocean would...
And the biggest and best. Super. Ew.
It's scary, but it was awesome!
Yeah! Spin, get your feet wet!